Oatmeal chocolate chip, peanut butter, and then double chocolate. 2 packs of 2. Let's try double chocolate first. It's okay. 5 out of 10. Oatmeal chocolate chip looks like this. This is good. 7 out of 10. Peanut butter. Yes. 9 out of 10. All of these cookies have coconut, pink Himalayan salt, organic, plant-based. I would definitely get these cookies again. Wouldn't get the double chocolate. As a whole, 8 out of 10. So delicious.